Moving on, our next speaker is Mr. Fire. Mr. Fire, a person who leads our team in front, one of the most successful leader from DXN India. As Mr. Selim said, the total strength of DXN is 9 million members. Among these, 4.5 million people belongs to this great family. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite the economic professor, the first crown ambassador in DXN India. Please put your hands together to welcome Professor Vasubalaya.
Hello. Yes. Are you all here? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Are you fired up? Yes. Are you passionate to be a millionaire? Yes. Fantastic. But I think your crowd is very, very sluggish. I'm not seeing the energy which is required to build the business. While the speaker comes, you must encourage them. Speaker must be fired up. Then only the best thing will come out of him. While every speaker comes, you get up and motivate them. That is a thing which we do wherever I go, particularly in India. People will become mad while a speaker is going to the stage, whoever they may be. They shout, they whistle, they jump up and down because they want to encourage the speaker.
Number one!
This is one of the latest events, how we conduct some of the major events. I wish that one day Middle East also we will have thousands of people, huge gathering to create impact, maybe 5,000, 10,000 people. We are planning more than 10 to 15,000 people event during factory inauguration in Siddipet. All of you are invited for that. I think you can come and qualify yourself to India ITSI. More than that, you can come voluntarily also yourself. It is not a big distance, a big money. Because we are now showing that we are big. Now you want to make really big growth in business. You want to be big in business. Then we have to show the big strength. Big crowd. This is a business of crowd. People. This is the people business, not the product business. Unless you show the people, those companies, whoever they may be in direct selling industry, showing the big strength of people, big strength of the crowd, they are leading the market, whoever they may be. Hence, it is required to show that we are big. Our product is best, our quality is the best, our marketing plan is the best, everything is the best. Then we must show that our business is also the best by mobilizing the people. That is very critical part of the business. I am very happy to be here, Makeover 2020. And I know that I am very proud to say that majority of you are part of my team. Which the seed which I have started, I think except a few people, and many people don't know who are their top upline. This legacy, again, mentorship, is very critical to build the business. We always say that track the upline in network marketing. Why means, why unless you track, you may not plug to them to get the knowledge. You don't, get the money from them, your upline mentors. Money from where the money comes? Money comes from your downline. Hence, upline is required for you to get the knowledge, coaching, direction, education, training, skill. That is a critical part of the business. Unless you go and weep, means a baby cries, mother feeds. Unless the baby is crying, mother may not feed many hours because she thinks that stomach is full. Hence, similarly in network marketing, as you know, direct selling, whenever somebody is crying, we give our attention. Because they are crying, they are hungry, they want to grow. Then naturally, good leader, good upline, good coach, good mentor is very critical part of the business. You want to be a millionaire. Hence, naturally, you have to track them. You may say that many people say, my upline is not active, he is not supporting, or he is not giving us knowledge, or he is not interested in the business. Doesn't matter. You go up and up and up and up. Somebody must be active if the company is growing. Somebody has to be active somewhere. You have to track and plug to them to build a big business. You want to be big in this industry. And my topic today, mainly, I will show you how practically, how big we have become. It is unimaginable. 20 years back, we put one small seed in Chennai, in India, with only 4 people. Me, my wife, her sponsor, Dr. Clarence from Malaysia, Dr. Ranjan. First, only 4. We worked out the strategy to launch DX in India. Then so many people locally we started. It is unimaginable. One day, open this. This will go, because you can see. This is why I am telling you, this is practical, not theory. India was a launching country. That is number one. Now, this is my horoscope, which I wanted to show you. 18 lakhs and odd members. And you can see the next highest is Saudi Arabia in my network. Saudi Arabia. Give a big hand to Saudi Arabia leaders. You know the roads which are down there. Next is United Arab Emirates, UAE. Next highest. As you know, 1,90,927. Then Yemen, Pakistan, Oman. You can see the numbers. This is in a descending order. Membership is in a descending. How many countries practically? See, they say that 80 countries, 90 countries, DXN has office, so many branches and all. Unimaginable, where DXN office is not there, DXN stock point is not there, DXN no anything. There also, DXN has entered building business with the members. 222 countries. Because they say that as per the UNO, how many countries are member of UNO? 198 or 199, nearing 200. But there are many countries who are not members of UNO where DXN has entered and building the business. This is 24, this is in the descending order. Number comes, China, even China is not open, yes, there is members, descending Korea, you can see, Brazil, 94th country is Cambodia, and 106th country is Taiwan, and again, Central African Republic, 15 members, these are all descending order. 133rd country, 9 members. Like this it goes, then single members, 210, 219 countries. Last country side kid said they are also one member. Imagine what we have started, and the countries, it can grow like 219. My latest, my wife says it has gone to 222 because every month she sees how many countries membership. 222 latest. This is about 6 months back. Can you understand the strength of one world, one market, one world, one system, one world, one business, one world, one bonus, one world, one family, one world, one people? Everything is synchronized to one in DXN. Are you not excited? Everything is one. No other MLM company, no other network marketing company, anywhere in the world, direct selling company can say that they have synchronized everything into one system. One, so everything is one. This is proven. This is proven through data. I have not visited, more than 75 countries physically I have visited last 75 years, thanks to DXN management, thanks to Dr. Lim, thanks to the system. And there are so many countries in my lifetime, I don't know whether I can visit 222 countries. I love to go at least once before my death. Because that is so beautiful to see the people, to meet the people. And this is what I am proof for you. Today I want to give you, in a very short span of time, do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? Yes. In your energy, it doesn't show that you want to be rich. Do you want to be rich? Yes. Fantastic. Where the money comes? Where the money comes first? Money comes first in your mind, in your thinking, not in the pocket. Money will not come to your pocket until you think in your mind. Always, I teach people now, train the latest in my trainings. I want to set the people for earning. Without that, I don't talk about DXN business. Millionaire mindset. Harvaker, how many of you have read? There are a lot of, yes, Gani should have. I know that any good leader will follow him. And it is a tremendous, very vigorous training on mind or attitude to make money. Until either Bill Gates or anybody, any rich man in the world, any millionaire in the world, in any business, any industry, any sector, how they have accumulated such a huge amount of wealth. The wealth first was created in their mind, not outside in assets, buildings, land, bank balance. They are all later. Until you create the money in your mind, you cannot be rich. That is very important. And I will show you some of the videos to give you why you must be rich and how you must be rich. Why ordinary people do not become rich. Why 90% of the people won't become rich, or 95%. Only 5% of the people have financial freedom in the world. Do you know that? Yes. And the remaining 95, why they live mediocre, live poor, and die poor. Before I took DXN as an economist, I am not a theory man. I am not a Kerafoot person who became rich. I was a professor of economics teaching postgraduate students. Out of my 30 years service, 25 years I taught MA, Master of Business Economics, MA Business Economics in under Madras University. My fire to be rich. I was not rich as a professor. I was not rich as my wife being a medical doctor. I was not rich while my wife was owning a hospital. I thought, I married a doctor, she's not here. She has, I think, married a doctor thinking that I will be a rich man. But it took 30 years to me, a doctor cannot make me rich. You know? We were broke. Means what I am telling is, we were managing a big hospital. There was a nursing home, 40-bedded hospital. Dr. Ranjan was one of our hospital consultants. 40 years back, you just, Hassan al-Khatri, how our story. But we used to make a lot of money, but lot of liability expenditure. I used to look into the balance sheet at the end of the month. I used to tell my wife, see, I am getting salary from the college for teaching economics, but where is my salary from the nursing home? All my other time I come, I manage the hospital, I used to run to bring oxygen cylinder, this, any emergency, because it is a small setup. I cannot have so many employees. And my all time I used to invest. And after paying the servant, after paying the employees, after managing all the hospital expenditure, we used to calculate what is your income and my income from the running the hospital. But the turnover used to be millions in rupees. But net income, where we used to, every time, difficult to manage because it happens in a conventional business, traditional business. It is very difficult to make the organization, a small sector, to make a profit even after working many years. And we have to have a lot of stress, lot of tension. I used to think many times why I married a doctor. Because in midnight, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, while we have to go to bed, she gets the emergency call. She goes down up first floor house and downstairs hospital, delivery pain. Then I cannot stop her. And my first, son, while my first child, my son, was born, she was unable to feed on time because of the hospital. Totally she is pressurized for work. Night I used to make babysitting because wife has to go down to hospital. Child is weeping. These are all practical. Please understand what is the real freedom. I thought after 30 years we are struggling. And how much? Of course, we had a car, we had a house, we had a couple of land. Not that we are poor, but we were not financially free. Why you must build a DXN business? I thought we must find the solution before I am 60 years. This is 20 years back. Could you understand? In early 50s, I got enlightenment. My economics will not make me rich. If I am struggling for my salary, another 10 years I will complete. I will retire as a poor professor of economics. And what is the use of teaching economics to my students to be rich, to make money, maximize your profit? All these theories which we used to teach to the students, how to run an organization, profitable business. But I don't have anything. I must be a model to others to be rich. Then I thought in 50s, I did a lot of business. I did share market, I did real estate, I used to run a lot of businesses, my side business after my college teaching. And many times a lot of risk, lot of money I lost. The last scam of stock market in India in 80s. Then I thought that is Harshad Mehta scam, it is a famous scam called. Market collapsed. I lost more than, it was 10 million. 10 million is a big money. 10 million rupees at a single go. Because of the collapse, and it is not my fault. Market, it is not under my... Then I decided why I embrace the direct selling industry. I must do a business where I don't have risk. I am in the driver's seat. I must drive. I should not be on somebody's hand. The whole business must be... Then while I was searching, I am ready to work. Not 24 hours, not 48 hours. I am ready to work even 10 years restlessly to be rich. Then I thought, which is that such sector which can give us without risk return, without liability return, and creating a huge asset in 5 to 10 years, and leave the legacy to the next generation, and get a residual income. Most powerful part is the residual income. I am ready to work 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. But I must get the residual income hundreds of years, even after my death. While I am searching for such industry, it struck to me, it is the only one industry which can give such a legacy is direct sell. That is why I opened my mind after enough calculation, enough analysis, enough comparative evaluation of hundreds of business, zero down to risk-free industry, this industry. Then I require a best company. I was trained by the #1 direct selling company in the world, which has nearing 100 years history. I put my hand before DXN, 90s. That was a training ground. I spent a lot of money to fly to Malaysia, Singapore, to master the skill. Could you understand? Nothing comes freely. Sorry, Mr. Dr. Khatri, don't give anything freely. Free will never be valued. Free people will never become millionaire. They have to pay the price for that. Nothing works freely. This is what I understood. I also not got anything free. I spent a lot of money to master the skill. Then I thought zero down the company to DXN while we launched it in 2000. Today, after 20 years, it is a history. We have created the history. DXN to reach the 15th rank globally. Shortly, it is going to be top 10. You are going to see and create such a big business empire all over the globe, thanks to our fire, our, passion to be rich. Do you want to be rich or do you want to die poor? I am asking the same question in India in my training. The only reason you have come here not to die poor. The only reason you have to take a vengeance of generations of your family who suffered with the poverty. You must be rich. Becoming rich is not a sin. Becoming rich is the God's will. Every God wants you to be rich. Have you read such a beautiful book by God Wants You to Be Rich? Paul Zenspils. God wants you to be rich. No religion, no system, no organization in the world wish that people must be poor. Then why are you not taking a step in your family? I am asking them to take step. You don't keep on weeping. My father was poor. My grandfather was poor. We lived with the poverty generation. We are mediocre. We are ordinary. Nothing. Arey, You are alive. You are alive. Take the decision in your lifetime, my generation never to be a poor. Future. I must be a model. I took that decision. My children, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, my great-great-great-great-grandchildren, after thousands of years of my death, worship me. I have left the asset, millions, billions to them. Will Gates family forget them? Will Ford family forget them? Will Tatas, Birlas, Mafatlals, Dalmias, Ambanis in India forget them? How many generations they worship? Because they are creating asset, leaving asset, creating asset, leaving asset. Even today, Ratan Tata is a single man. He is not married, no family, no children. He is creating asset for the future generation of India. This is what the beauty of creating asset. Please understand why you are here. Not making few bucks, not making eating and drinking and sleeping and mediocre life. You are not here. This industry is not for such people, I am telling you. We want people who want to be rich, who want to be millionaire. For that, your mindset first to be made to be a millionaire. Walk like a millionaire, talk like a millionaire, act like a millionaire, dress like a millionaire, behave like a millionaire before you become a millionaire. Otherwise, you will never be a millionaire.